In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Sierra Chart. If you're on a Windows PC and want to make sure you're running the latest version of the platform, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, explain what each option means, and share a few simple tips so your update is smooth and predictable. Start by opening Sierra Chart on your Windows computer. Once the platform is up, look to the top of the window for the menu bar and click on Help. This is where Sierra Chart puts its built-in update tools, so you don't need to visit a website or hunt for files. In the Help menu, choose Download Current Version to get the latest stable release. If you're comfortable trying new features before they're finalized, you can choose Download Pre-Release instead. The pre-release can include improvements that aren't in the stable version yet, but it may also have minor issues. If you prefer reliability, stick with the current version. After you make your selection, Sierra Chart will begin downloading the newest installer in the background. You can keep working while it downloads, but it's a good idea to wrap up any active tasks and save your chart books and studies so you're ready for the next step. When the download finishes, Sierra Chart will let you know with a prompt on your screen. When you see that message, click Yes to allow Sierra Chart to close and run the installer automatically. Windows may show a security or permission dialog at this point. Simply confirm by clicking Yes so the installer can proceed. Now follow the steps in the installer to complete the update. The process is typically just a few clicks. Continue through the prompts, accept the agreement if asked, and keep the default installation folder that's already selected. That ensures the installer updates your existing Sierra Chart installation rather than creating a separate one. Your charts, studies, and settings are preserved, and you won't need to reconfigure anything after the update completes. Once the installer finishes, you're updated and ready to go. If you chose the pre-release and later decide you want the stable build, just repeat this same process and pick Download Current Version in the Help menu. A stable internet connection and letting the installer run to completion will give you the best experience. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and reliable.